Today we're going to take a look at the Optronics LED Clearance or side marker light with reflector. This is going to be an LED light to keep you in compliance with all the rules of the road and also keep you safe to replace or upgrade any of your existing trailer lights. The nice thing about this is that since it's an LED, we don't have to worry about any maintenance with this. There's no bulbs that can go bad on us that we have to open up the housing, get in there, change out the bulbs, find them first of all, and then replace them. So pretty much as soon as we have this installed, it's good to go, and we won't really need to replace it unless something happens where the lens itself gets damaged. It has that built-in reflector so that even when the lights aren't on, our trailer will still be visible by reflecting that light. It's going to have a two-wire pigtail design. These are going to have 0.180 male bullet ends. Just have to connect these up to power and ground. So white will be ground and black will be power. Flip that on. You can see our two diodes come on there. Turn off the lights in the studio. You get a better idea of how bright that is. So it's not really to provide lighting per se, it's just to make our trailer visible in the dark. Now this is going to be P2 rated, and basically that means that our light is going to be visible up to 90 degrees, but once we get to 180 degrees it's not really visible anymore. So that's why you need to use this as a clearance or side marker light. That's what gives it that P2 designation. The housing is going to be made of a durable ABS plastic with an acrylic lens, so it'll be durable enough to have out on the road. And this is going to be compatible with 12-volt DC systems. Our lens is going to be a snap-on design, and pop that off. So if you do need to adjust the wires, as you can see my black wire is a little bit shorter, so I can pull that through, give myself a little bit more wire there, get it out of the way, the hardware. But that's also how we would mount the hardware up in the first place. We'll be able to mount it in place. It doesn't come with the hardware, so you will have to provide that on your own. But once it's mounted, just snap the lens back over it, and it's ready to go. So that keeps the light nice, keeps out most of the dirt from getting in there. As far as dimensions, the light is about 4 inches long by about 1.5 inches wide, and it's going to be just about 1 inch thick. The distance between our mounting holes, center to center, is 3 inches. Again, this is going to have 2 diodes. Our wiring, so you can see it's a little bit off. Our black wire is a little bit shorter, but the white wire is about 9 inches long. With the slack that I have pulled out for my black wire, it's about 7.5 inches. This is going to have a power draw of 0.04 amps at 12.8 volts, and that there is a limited lifetime warranty on the LEDs from Optronics. And that's going to do it for our look at the Optronics LED Clearance or side marker light with reflector.